All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, today is our first official day of our Unreal Engine journey starting today. And I do have some updates we're going to make from yesterday. So initially, well, first let me get right into the environment here. Let's have you look at what we're doing here. So I do have some things going on. Let me explain to you. So I am going to cut back from the two videos. We're just going to make one long video during the afternoon because after diving in, I did realize that in order to train the agents and add agents to our environment, we have to actually know how the environment works and how to configure it. And to learn how the environment works and how to configure it, we have to actually do it. So instead of doing two videos at once, for now, we're just going to be doing one long video during the afternoon, and we're going to be taking it from the top, starting from the basics. So we're not going to do it simultaneously. We're not going to build our environment and build the agents at the same time because there's so much going on that we have to just totally focus on this environment for right now. Maybe for the first month or two, I don't know for sure until we get comfortable. But yeah, so it looks like we're gonna have to focus entirely on the environments first and figuring out how everything works and how to maneuver everything, and then we're gonna move forward from there. So yeah, I was able to figure out how to add props to our environment, as you can see here. And this is a view of the sky. We're actually on the ground now. Somehow I moved the camera view up to the sky, so I have to figure out how to get that going on. And I can show you how we added our image here. If I can close that out, I don't know why it's doing that. We close this and go over here. So I can show you how we add images. I added that block there. So you're gonna come here, go to the plus. And I'm not gonna do tutorials like this every time. I'll probably pretty much have everything already situated when I start the videos. But since this is the first day, we're just gonna go through it like this right now. I don't know why this isn't out here. This here. So we go here, go to shapes, and just pick a shape. I have a few shapes on the ground. If I can make it back down there, like I said, somehow I moved the camera up, just tinkering with things. I moved the camera up, and yeah. So now we're looking at the sky instead of standing on the ground. And I just added a shape, and I don't see where it's populating that just now. I am running the recording equipment, so maybe that's slowing everything down also. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's see if I can move this block back down closer towards the ground, and maybe that'll help us visualize our entire map again. So let's do this. We're gonna grab it, and we're gonna try to move it down here, see if this works. Like I said, we are running the recording equipment at the same time, so it may be some kind of delay. Let's see. I don't see it moving at all right now. There's a square there, so it is moving. There's the cone there. Okay, it is moving. See it. We can move our blocks. We can move our images. You can see the cone I just added here. The square I added first is the cone there, but we're still in the sky. So let's grab one of this and see if we can move it back down towards the ground and get a better view of the environment. And if not, I'll just I don't know. Let me see. Yeah. Also we're gonna definitely have to upgrade our equipment. Our laptop is gonna have to get upgraded sometime mid mid next year, mid 2025. I'm thinking maybe second quarter. If you don't know what that means, yeah, I'm not explaining all of that, but yeah, we're definitely gonna need a more powerful machine to do what we need to do with this particular journey here. Yeah, I don't know why the thing isn't moving here. I can't get it down to the ground. I can click on them and move them, but it won't. Let me see. Wait, watch this. You click on the direction you want to take it, and then moving in that direction. So green is going left. You click on green. If I can click on it, and I'm using a mouse pad, not an actual mouse. That also makes it harder because a lot of maneuvering inside this environment focuses around right clicking your mouse and then dragging around your environment like that. Now my pad can do it, but it's not really designed to do it as well as a mouse does it. So yeah, we're gonna work with what we have for now. Like I said, this is gonna be a slow journey, especially starting out. It's gonna be a slow process because it is all new to me. And yeah, so we're gonna just crawl through this inch by inch. So you can see we can move our objects, we can add them to our environment. So at least we have that down pat, and we can do that. So we figured out how to move, we figured out how to add our objects. Next, I'm gonna try. I'm not even gonna say what's next. Like I said, I'm just gonna dive in and see where it goes. I'm not gonna try to predict anything right now. Like I said, because it's all fresh, and you can see this video is already longer than usual videos, and it's just an explanation of what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, we're just going to do one long video during the afternoon instead of two separate videos because we have a lot to cram in uh, initially. So we're just going to take our time and do that instead of focus on two things and maybe getting lost in translation. We'll just focus on the introduction, how to build our environments, and we'll go from there. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. Tomorrow is going to be day 2, so this was our first initial day of the Unreal Engine journey. And yeah, I'm glad you're still here. If you're still here, and if you're not, hey, It is what it is. But of course, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.